Hey, it's Triple G's, and I'm going to do a video on fan mail. I got something from Gary and Sue with Eating with the Dudes. I already opened the package. And also got a card. I already opened it and I read it. And here's the envelope. It says, thinking of you. The butterfly, the purple butterflies. I love purple. And then here's a little friendship card. It says, to our dear friend from Sue and Gary and Chico. Chico is a dog. He is so adorable. And that's the cards there. And then here's the card, the purple butterflies, the purple flowers, so pretty. And here's the butterfly stickers, and I'm gonna share what they wrote. Wanted to let you know how much we love and appreciate you in our lives. Same here. I love them to death. They are awesome people. We wanted to send you a little something. It will probably be big, but we wanted to make sure it fits. The bigger the better. Yes. I love comfortable stuff. And you can also make it as a sleep shirt. Love, Sue and Gary. And that's Eating with the Dudes right there. Make sure you guys go check them out. Leave them some love and support. Really awesome channel. Gary also has a second channel with his Hot Wheels. I will leave that one on this side. You guys go check that channel out as well. Oh wow, this is so awesome. I love this shirt. Oh wow, I love this shirt. Look at Eating with the Dudes. And as you can see, that's Gary. Gary's right there. And then that's the dude. That's Chico. Oh, I love this. This is so, and it says Eating with the Dudes. Oh, Gary, Sue, thank you guys so much. I love this shirt. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. Love it. You guys can see. There we go. See. Eating with the Dudes. That's Gary and Chico. They got a wonderful channel. You guys go check their channel out. Like I said, I will also leave their channel in the description below. Gary's two channels, which is Eating with the Dudes, and the other is Gary's Hot Wheels. I'm pretty sure. I will leave it anyway in the description below. You guys go check his two channels out. Show him some love and support. Got a wonderful channel, and they are wonderful people, Sue and Gary and Chico. And once again, thank you so much, Sue and Gary. Really appreciate this. I'm going to cherish it. I love it. Thank you so much, so much. So anyway, just wanted to share with you guys the wonderful gift that I got from Gary and Sue of Eating with the Dudes. Like I said, you guys go check Gary and the Dudes out and show them some love and support, and it will be in the description below. So until the next video, you guys all take care. Make sure you guys hit the like, hit that notification bell to be notified, and share my videos. Share this video so you guys can see what I got from Eating with the Dudes. One more time, I want to show it off. beautiful shirt. But anyway, make sure you guys go show them some love and support. So until the next one, you guys all take care. Love you all. Peace out.